Hello everyone, we are La Choi.
and Lydia Kim.
Today we will tell you about the solar system. Solar system is a very interesting system. Our solar system has 8 planets. 4 of the planets are close to the Sun. We called it inner planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the inner planet. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and is little larger than the Earth's moon. Mercury takes only 88 days to complete each orbit, while it takes 365 and 4 days. God did not put an atmosphere around Mercury. Mercury does not need protection from the sun because no people live there.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is even hotter than Mercury, despite Mercury is much closer to the Sun. Its temperature is around 500 Celsius. Venus is a planet near Earth, and that is why it looks brighter to us than any of the other planets. Sometimes it is called the evening star or morning star. Also, there is no atmosphere like Mercury. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars can sometimes be seen without a telescope. It appears as a reddish heavenly body in the skies. Mars has large craters, volcanoes, the moon, seasons, and ice caps as it first and melts in summertime. When caps of ice melt on Mars, a greenish color can be seen on the surface through a high-power telescope. When spacecraft took photographs of Mars, we learned there was no life at all on the other planet.
Now we will tell you about the outer planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the outer planets. Jupiter is the giant of all the planets. It is large enough that it can be seen in the night sky without a telescope. In fact, it is so enormous that about 1,300 of Earths could place there. Many moons orbit the giant planet Jupiter. Look at this picture of the planet Jupiter. Can you see the bands that go around it and red spot on its surface? No one knows for sure what the spot is.
Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn has at least 60 moons. One of the moons is Titan, and it rotates quickly on its axis. Due to high speed, the planet Saturn has an oval appearance. The most interesting thing about Saturn, I think, is the fact that it has visible ring. No other planet has visible ring like Saturn.
Uranus was seen for the first time in 1781. The green colored object turns out to be the seventh planet Uranus. Most of the planets rotate on an axis that is more or less perpendicular, but Uranus' axis lies almost that is more or less parallel to each orbit. But Uranus' axis lies almost parallel on each orbit. Each pole turns around the sun as the planet travels in each orbit.
By studying Uranus, astronomers later discovered Neptune. Neptune can be seen only with a very powerful telescope. It is a very large and far-away planet, and astronomers believe Neptune is made of a gas, liquid, and minerals. We cannot know everything about the solar system, and our knowledge is not correct. All things which we have are all God creation. We must thank God for our amazing and enormous solar system.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.